Welcome grade 4. This is part 3 lesson 2. In this video we will explain exercise 2. Number 10. Write 9-digit number that has in 3 in the 10 millions place, 5 in the 100,000 place, and 2 in the ones place. And is this only or the only number you could have written, and explain your answer. Here we have place value chart, ones, thousands, millions, billions, or millions. And we will write numbers down as he said here. He said 3 in the 10 millions place. This is 10 millions place, we will write 3. And 5 in the 100,000s. Where is 100,000s? Here. You should write 5. And 2 in ones place. After that, as you like, you can write any digits. Here I write 8, 7, 0, 6, 1, 9. You can write different digits here. 11. Use the digits 5, 7, 3, 1, 8, 2, 9, and 6 to make the greatest number. Then use the same digits to make the smallest number. The greatest number, to can write it, you should start with the biggest or order your digits from greater to the least, or from the greatest to the least number or digit. Like this: 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. We start with biggest digit and end with least digit. And here we will make, or we will write smallest number, start from least to reach to greatest. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here he asks you, how did the value of 7 change from the greatest number and the smallest number? In the greatest number, here we have 7 in 100,000 thousands place, and here we have 7 in hundreds place. They are equal. The value of the digit 7 equal? No, not equal. So why did it change? And use words and numbers to explain your thinking. Look here, we can say the value of 7 in the greatest number is 700,000, and the value of the 7 in the smallest number is 700. So you can say the value of digit 7, it changes according to its place. If 7 in thousands place equals 7,000, if 7 in 100 equals 700. 12. How are 12,940 and 120,940 similar? How they are the same and how they are different, or how are they different? If you see here, we have 1, 2, 9, 4, 0. And here we have the same digits. 1, 2, 0, 9, 4, 0. They are similar because they have the same digits. But here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. So if you want to answer this question, you can say the two numerals are similar because they made up from the digits 1, 2, 9, 4, 0. The two numerals are different because the first number or first numeral has 5 digits, but the second one has 6 digits. 13. If the digit 8 always worth 8, all time 8 equal 8, worth meaning equal. And why or why not? Use what you understand or you know about place value to support your answer. If you put 8 in ones place, the value equals 8. If you put 8 in hundreds place, the value equals 800. If you put 8 in thousands place, 1,000, the answer it will be 8,000. That meaning your answer should know or disagree, because the value of digit 8 changes according to its place. 14. Samah says in the number 5,555,000 1555. All digits have the same value. Do you agree or disagree? Samah said they are equal, but you should say your answer or your opinion. We have here a chart, a place value chart, and we will put 5 in all places. 5 in tens, 5 in hundreds, in thousands, 10,000s, and so on. Write the value of each digit. 5 in ones place equals 5, in tens equals 50, in hundreds equals 500, and in thousands equals 5,000, 10,000s equals 50,000, 100,000 equals 500,000, and in millions equals 5 million. So they not the same as Samah said. Next one, number 15, how many? Here he asks you how many tens are there in 100. Look here down, 100 meaning one block like this. This block consists of 10 tenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have here 10 bars. Each bar equals or consists of 10 cubes. So 10 times 10. Okay? So 10 times 10. That meaning 100 have 10 tenths. So the answer here you should write here 10. But I will tell you another way to can solve this exercise quickly without any problem. How many tenths are there in 100? In 100, you should write this number in standard form, 100 like this with 2 zeros, and the 10 with 1 zero. You should cross 1 0 because he tell you how many tens. If he tell you how many hundreds, you should cross 2 zeros. So here we will cross 1 0 only and write the remainder. Now, how many tens are there in 100? In 100 there are 10 tens. Next one, how many tens are there in 1000? Write 1000 in standard form in the first 3 zeros, and the tenth meaning 1 0, that meaning cross 1 only. The remainder is 100. How many hundreds are there in 1 million? 1 million, if you write 1 million in standard form, you have 6 zeros. 100s or hundreds, he asked you about hundreds, so you should cross 2 zeros like this. The remainder, it will be 10,000. That meaning there are 10,000 hundreds in 1 million. Next one, how many thousands are there in 1 million? Thousands meaning 3 zeros. 1 million meaning 6 zeros. If you write it in standard form, cross 3 zeros, now you have 1,000 only. That meaning there are in 1 million 1,000 thousands. How many hundreds are there in 1 milliard? Hundreds, 2 zeros. 1 milliard meaning 9 zeros. Cross 2 zeros and write the remainder. Here you have 10 million. Last one, how many tens are there in 1 million? Tens meaning 1 0. 1 million meaning 6 zeros. Cross 1 0 only. You have here 100,000. 16. Complete as the example. 4 tenths and 3 ones. Tenth meaning 1 0. Ones meaning nothing, no zeros. So this number, if you want to write this number in standard form, you write it like this: 43 times 10. 43 times 10 equals what? Put 0 out in the first. Next, multiply 1 times 43. 1 times 43 equals 43. The answer 430. B, 500, 500s and 7 tenths. Hundreds, 2 zeros, tens, 1 0. 570. Make addition between them. Start with ones. Ones with ones, 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 0 equals 7. And 5, 570. Times 100, write 100 here. And now make or take all zeros out. 1, 2, 3. Put 3 zeros out, and don't forget put comma after all or each 3 digits. 1 times 57 equals 57. Your answer 57,000. Next one, 2 hundreds. Hundreds 2 zeros. 2 hundreds and 3 tenths, meaning 1 0. So I have 230. Make addition between them. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 3 plus 0, 3. And 2 plus nothing equals 2. 230. Times what? Times 10. Now, how many zeros do you have now? 1, 2. Put the zeros out. After that, multiply 1 times 23. The answer is 2,300. D. 3 thousandths, meaning it's 3 zeros here, and 2 hundredths, meaning 2 zeros. 3,000 plus 200. Make addition between them. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 0 equals 2. And 3 with nothing equals 3. 3,200. Multiply or times 100. Write 100 here. Now I have how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. Put them out. We have here 3, and we will write one more. 1 times 32 equals 32. The answer it will be 320,000. E. 7,000. 7,000 meaning here 3 zeros. Hundreds 2 zeros. So I have 7,800. Make addition. I have now 7,800 multiply 100 equals what? Count zeros in the first and put them out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put 4 zeros out. And don't forget comma. 1 times 78 equals 78. I think this way is so easy. Next one. 410 meaning 1 0. But here 10 thousandths meaning 3 zeros and 1 0 is 40,000, like this, 40,000. And 3 tenths meaning 30. Make addition. 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 0 equals 3. And write the remainder. 40,030. Multiplied by 100. Here I have how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 zeros out. And 1 times 4, 0, 0, 3. Right, 4,003. Next one, 500 thousandths. 100 to 0, thousandths, 3 zeros. That meaning 500 thousandths, like this. And here 700s, 700s here. You can make addition. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 7 plus 0 equals 7, and write 500 here. 500,007, 700 times 10. How many zeros you will put out? 3. Put 3 zeros out. 1 times 5,007 equals 5,007. Last one, 3 10,000ths meaning 30,000. And 4 thousandths meaning 4,000, like this. Make addition. We have here 3 zeros and here 3 zeros. 4 plus 0 equals 4, 34,000. Times what? Times 100. Right? 100. How many zeros? All to put it down out. We have 5 zeros. And 1 times 34 equals 34.